And we are streaming. We are live according to my sources. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly check the quality of the stream, as I always do. And I'll be right back. Hang in there, guys. Be right back. Looks like we're all good. According to my sources, once again, I think we are ready to stream. Let's play some Ghostbusters. Let's continue where we left off yesterday. Alright, let's see. What? No. No! No! No freaking way! Oh, didn't save. The game didn't save. What? What the what? Aw, man. Here's what we're gonna do. Hey, Bare Bones. Hey, Luke. Welcome. Apparently the game didn't save yesterday. No! I don't get it. I saved. Did I? It's okay. Guys, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Here's what we're gonna do. The minor inconvenience. It's gonna go on my old profile and then we'll take it from there. I hope. I hope we're good that way. This was my original account, apparently. Stop making fun of me. No, I don't get it. I really don't get it. Let me see if I can start over on this profile and perhaps maybe check the save point. Let's see. I think I managed to find the the volume button on the gameplay. Yeah, I think we're gonna start over apparently. I don't think I can continue from wherever I feel like. We'll see. Oh man, no problem. Let's see. New career. Everywhere I go is new career. What the what? No, come on, man. Looks like I'm gonna have to start over, dang it. Oh man, there's no... Well, what can you do? I have to start over then. But might as well switch to the other profile then. Where did my saves go? That's very strange. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Oh man. That's the only account I remember using. Let's switch over to my Italian account. I have many accounts, guys. I have many accounts. It's okay. No problem. I'm annoyed. I'm afraid that I might not actually... Was I supposed to save manually, perhaps? I don't know. It's okay. We'll start over. It's okay. It's a great game. I don't mind starting over. I really don't mind starting over. How strange. I still can't get over the fact that... Oh, what the what? What the what? What the what? Did you guys see this? Did I do something different? How strange. Ah, come on guys, I'm not going crazy, am I? This was the same profile I was on. It's very strange. Maybe the game just failed to read the save file or something. I don't know. So weird. Hey, Matt is not CZ, CSGO and more. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I know, wait. What the what is correct. But anyway, it's fine. Let's continue where we left off then. I'm sorry guys. Sorry, I promise you I'm gonna start over. But for the sake of YouTube video OCD, you know, since I already started the video, I have to continue where I left off, you know. Let's go! Enough rambling now. Last time we were in Times Square and Stay Puft came back from the first movie. He came back, but this time it wasn't Trey, and he swore it wasn't him. So let's go. Guys, I would like your feedback regarding the volume of the game and my voice. If at any point the game overpowers my voice, I would like to know that, because yesterday I had some complaints. So I managed to find a way around, I think. I managed to find the volume sliders. So we'll see. Because the Proton streams get really loud at one point, and when the ghosts are screaming when they're being trapped, it gets really loud. Sometimes it overpowers my voice. I hope it's not the case now, because I lowered the game volume now. Alright, so... Where's the Stay Puft? He left! Alright, so in the last stream, there was Stay Puft over there. He was throwing cars. It made a mess here. But now the car just can't get through because there's a bunch of marshmallow over here. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's quiet now, but when I start shooting ghosts with my stream, it gets really loud. Not now, but we'll see.
Spooky and clothesline fresh. Are you kidding me? Haunted laundromat?
Oh, Winston. Hang on, I want to check something here. Let's get out of here, man.
That looks like our ticket. That tank is leaking gas all over the place. That is a serious safety hazard, man.
I wanted to test these first, but since we're waiving that safety step today anyway, you should be aware that I modified the neutrona wand, which normally releases the particle stream.
Wow.
So L2 shoots a boson dart.
Christmas
L2 is
game
this
early.
one, yeah?
Earlier than
There
what?
it is.
They started Christmas before Halloween this year. Santa came to my house dressed as Dracula.
You guys might want to stand back.
How far exactly?
Back. Way
Yeah, this game is old.
Do I still have eyebrows?
Samuel.
I said way back.
Nicely done. Great job, kid.
If I stand in their way, they're gonna start.
Gasoline.
They're gonna start sounding the alarm for me. Look.
Egon, once again on the Super Slammer, I'll get
How cool.
It's a prototype.
Let's go.
You recall the memo
Oh,
from you
Peter's
about
joining
getting
us
too
now.
many memos on prototypes?
Well, I did write that.
We mounted a high expansion.
Yeah, this game is old. This game is
multiple dose
2009.
absorber. It's
And
faster
that's the last time I
larger
played
than
this
our
game.
portable units.
In 2009.
Am I in jeopardy? Is this a big enough stick to roast this guy? Okay.
Potentially, but our exposure to interdimensional deities has been only marginal to date, so it would be wise to anticipate some error.
A cursed bottle. How strange.
You know, for a big guy, he's like Dr. Steve. We should tie a propeller on his
Yes, it's old but gold. It's freaking fantastic.
Somebody needs to go there.
Stay puft should be right here. No? Stay puft, where are you?
Hindenburg, the opera. Wasn't that show shut down when the stage caught fire and killed the cast?
I read the reviews. Oh,
Oh, look at that.
I had to say that.
That's right. Ruthless producers. They just reopened it last week. It's crackling. There must be something really
It's
bad
actually
about
toxic.
this
If I step into it, it's gonna start burning my boots, look.
Grab a full scan.
You see?
Good idea.
Kind of acidic.
Probably have a look around.
Guess that means we're not alone.
Yep. These are unusual flux patterns.
Hey, Malta
Whoa,
Network
wait.
resources!
Don't touch that.
Welcome to the stream. We're
That's
playing
what
some
I thought.
Ghostbusters.
Black slime. Black slime is a hazardous form of ectoplasmic residue. Toxic to both body and soul. Very dangerous. Egon and I haven't developed clothes and boots sufficient enough to insulate against the negative psychokinetic effects of this stuff yet, so be careful.
In other words, the stains don't ever come out. Watch
the what?
yourself!
I hear ghosts, but I don't see them.
Go! Fat lady
Jackson.
singing!
Or whatever.
Looks like an
You
opera
see, you actually built
Hefty one at
a
that.
ghost trap.
Peter, you better take her.
What's that supposed to mean? I'm a chubby chaser? I take out one plump girl,
There's two of them.
blind date,
Come here.
like her
Oh,
personality,
man.
and you guys can't let it go.
There he is, there she is. We actually built a ghost trap on top of the car, so we can easily trap them once. There she is.
Incoming!
Is it still okay, the volume? Like, can you still hear me while I'm busting ghosts right now? I'm not looking at chat right now, but I will check right after. I need to catch these ghosts first. Come here. Come here, you. Come here, babe. Gotcha!
Now bring it in.
Ouch, ouch. I got attacked by another something else. Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Great! A whole mess of them!
She's mine. I can't
Look
take her.
out!
Come on, get in the box. Get in the car. You're under arrest. There you go.
My favorite part of this job.
Get
Almost
in
there!
the trap.
I
You're
don't have
under
time
arrest.
for you right now,
There you go.
oil! Roll them out!
So awesome. Oh, there's more.
Grab them and slam them, dude!
He called me a noob. Hang on, because I'm on danger right now. Let's help him out. Now I need help.
Scan it! Ow!
Who's hit? Who
I'm
needs
hit.
help?
Need some help!
Oh my goodness, mission failed. We're all fainting now.
Over here!
Let's go again. Oh, this is what I hate the most about this game. Each time you die, I have to wait through a loading screen. Come on, game. And each time the song plays, I risk a copyright strike.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If there's something
Wow, it really takes a while, eh?
and it don't look good.
It's crackling. There must be something really bad about this place.
Grab a full scan.
Good idea. We should probably have a look around.
Guess that means we're not alone.
Yep. These are unusual flux patterns.
Whoa, wait! Don't touch that.
That's what I thought. Black slime. Black slime is a hazardous form of ectoplasmic residue. Toxic to both body and soul. Very dangerous. Egon and I haven't developed clothes and boots sufficient enough to insulate against the negative psychokinetic effects of this stuff yet, so be careful.
In other words, the stains don't ever come out.
The dialogue is fantastic. There they are.
Watch yourself!
Looks like an opera singer, and a hefty one at that. Peter, you better take her.
What's that supposed to mean? I'm a chubby chaser.
Did you hear what Peter said?
Take out one plump girl on a blind date, like her personality, and you guys can't let it go.
Be careful not to cross the streets because it's very dangerous. Whoa! Come here, you. Get in there. That's one. And you. Oopsie, oopsie, oopsie.
I don't have time for you right now, gargoyle! More of them!
Man, medic, he needs help. Because the proto pack is so heavy when they fall off. These I hate, these I
More
hate.
trouble! Grab them and slam them, Newt!
Come on, I need to control it. I find that the proton pack overheats real quick though.
They felt that one in Pittsburgh. Okay, here they come!
Oh no.
Look out!
no,
Above
revive.
you! Oh! Ow!
Gotcha.
Easy there. Almost crossed the street.
Okay, okay.
Avoid crossing the stream.
Crap.
Help me!
Where you going, babe? Down to Papa. Get in the box. Get in the trap. Get in the trap. Good girl.
I've been before, I'll say it again.
There's more ghosts. Man. Oh man, help is on the way.
I'm on my
Come
way!
on, help, somebody.
Hey,
Oh,
over here.
man, come on. Come on.
Ow!
Let's help the others up as well, because if everybody goes down...
Find some cover! Here they come!
Oh man! It's
Need
not
some
easy,
help?
eh? It's not easy. Barry twice! Welcome! I'm Maltese Meatball. Funnily enough, I make very good
I'm down!
meatballs. No pun intended. Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! Damn it! I have to go through this waiting screen, this loading screen each time I die. Oh man! I know, right, Semiconductor? I know! Thank you for coming! Nobody streams this game anymore, and I've been looking on YouTube. Nobody streams this game anymore. Or uploads any videos for that matter. Maybe because of copyright reasons. Actually, Bare Bones, if I do cross the streams, you hear a little sound that goes something like this. And then both of us get blown to the floor, kind of. This is annoying, huh?
It's crackling. There must be something really bad about this
Scan
place.
it. I did.
Grab a full scan.
Good idea. We should probably have a look around.
Guess that means we're not alone here.
Yep.
Some Maltese
Flux
meatballs.
patterns. Whoa, wait!
They're
Don't
not really
touch
Maltese,
that.
they're just meatballs that I
That's
like
what
to
I
make.
thought. Black slime.
I love spicy food.
Black
I
slime
make
is a
them very
hazardous
hot.
form of ectoplasmic residue. Toxic to both body and soul.
Habaneros.
Very dangerous.
I'm getting hungry now. Stop
Egon and I
it.
haven't developed clothes and boots sufficient enough to insulate against the negative psychokinetic effects of this stuff yet, so be careful.
In other words, the stains don't ever come out.
It's funny how I have to listen to the dialogue before I actually get to bust some ghosts. Look, they're coming out now.
Watch yourself!
And I have to watch her do the performance. Look. Her bra size is 55G.
Look out! Above you!
Singing.
She's so old.
Looks like an opera singer.
I really should be
Hefty
looking.
one at that. Peter,
I'm
you
wondering if
better
I
take
should start busting ghosts
What's that
or
supposed to mean? I'm a chubby
just stick
chaser.
around to help others.
Pick
Because
up
if
one
all of us fall
plump
down,
girl, a
mission
blind
fails.
date, like her personality, and you guys can't let it go.
Look at you. Ah,
Look out! Above you! Here they come. Get a scan on that.
looks like I got me a ghost.
Hold him
Get in
down!
there. Looks like I got me another one.
I don't have time for you right now, Colonel. Four of them! Grab them and
All I need to do is
slam
just grab him and slam him, really. But these gargoyles are a distraction. Like that. See? There's too many ghosts right now. There she is. Ah, she's gone again. Ah. Oh, there you go. Two of us already are down. Three. That
Keep
makes.
your shirt on.
Ah, come on, let's
Somebody
get all
will
of
show
them.
up.
If all of us are down, the game's over and I have to wait for another loading screen. Whoa, 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 what's
Over
this?
here, little help. Yo, little help.
You're down already? Oh man, look at us.
Almost
We're all
there.
falling together.
Ah! Run! Okay, here they come.
Get a full
Get a
scan,
full
yeah,
scan.
because there's a lot of time for a full scan right now.
Look out! Above you!
There's no time for above me. I got one. Come over here. Get
Way
in.
to go, Greenhorn!
Get in there.
Incoming!
Get in there. You know, I tried playing this in co-op, but it wasn't fun. I didn't enjoy it. I don't know why.
Run!
Maybe because back then, in 2009, servers weren't as good. I don't know. But it lagged so much.
Kapow!
Get in there! Stop being... Yeah, I want to help you, but... get in there. Okay, let's help this.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Uh-oh.
Hey, over here.
Incoming!
Hey, over here. Little help? Yo, little help?
Everybody. There you go. Fantastic. I get go and I look at chat because I haven't been looking at chat. This game is stressful and I'm gonna need a nap after this. Come over here.
You play hardball, Rook!
Get in there.
We just did a service to humanity, kids. Hindenburg is a terrible show.
Oh, what's going on here? What's going on? I'm playing this on the PS3. Yeah, PS3.
Times Square post-urban renewal. All shiny and clean. I love it.
Say, is that him?
It's hard to miss.
Egon, how close do we have to get the big trap to reel him in?
A lot closer than this.
What's he up to now?
He's looking for something.
Is he looking for something or someone?
You think this
If you can
game
see
is
behind
cheesy?
me, the
No, he's
streets
kidding.
are in
He made a little
absolute chaos.
Pinocchio nose.
Authorities are doing everything they can to quell the panic and maintain order. It is madness out here. The Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, star of the popular children's television show, is on a rampage. This is not the Stay Puft we've come to love. Fortunately, the Ghostbusters have arrived to put everything back to normal.
Okay. I'm looking at chat. Hang on. I need to be careful because Stay Puft is on mute now. While I
We need
look
to
at
get
chat.
from here to there. Make sure the big boy doesn't
But
find whatever
yes,
he's
yes,
looking
you are right,
for.
Semiconductor. Actually,
Good
this
strategy.
is
It's dangerous,
Ghostbusters
though.
3.
That's a lot of open
It
ground
is.
to cover.
All right,
It
sport.
continues where it left off
Looks
in the
like it's
first
me
two
and you.
movies.
Let's go across Times Square and get into the building Stay Puft is so interested in. You guys keep him off us if you think you can.
He knows you're there,
I'm
Ray.
gonna make him
I don't
another
think he
belly
likes
button.
it.
I'm gonna try
Yeah,
to give him
he
another
spotted
belly
us.
button.
Keep
Whoa,
moving.
whoa, 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 whoa.
Keep away from those feet. He'll stomp you into jelly.
You see, the difference is...
Pepper him with boson darts.
Whoa, whoa. The difference is now, he's actually looking for something. Stay Puft. It's not just...
Hit him with boson
He's not just
darts.
attacking us, he's actually looking for something as well. This is his residue, it's animated. Dog. So white, very wow.
Boson will loosen him up.
Dog.
Pepper him with boson darts.
I don't think boson darts are doing the trick right now. I don't think they're doing any damage to him.
Soften him up with your boson darts.
You know what? You just gave me an idea, Barry. I'm gonna change my
Pepper him with boson
my
darts.
occupation on Facebook for a Ghostbuster. It'd be awesome. I'm gonna do that. So if I'm done here, I'm gonna change it. You just gave me an idea. I'll be a professional Ghostbuster! Good.
Soften them up with your boson darts.
Have you ever played this game, Barry? Seriously now. Have you?
Boson darts should do the trick.
Has anyone ever played this game? But yeah, Barry's right. This game is cheesy in a way, yeah, but that's
Boson darts
those are
should do the
movies as
trick.
well. I would be upset if it wasn't cheesy like the movies are. Oh man! Whoa!
Boson darts should do the trick.
He got me cornered. That chase had.
Hit him with boson darts! Nice boson!
What you talking about, man? I'm sure it didn't ding him.
Now see if he wants more. Get it? I'm funny too, you know.
Did you guys hear what he said?
Here he comes! Evasive maneuvers! Stick close to me and as far away from him as you can.
Whoa.
Bankman, you've got to distract him.
Whoa. Did you see that? How I
Are
flew?
you getting coffee? Venkman's getting coffee.
Vankman is
Soften him up
lazy,
with your
huh?
boson
He went to
darts.
get coffee. Right now.
Boson darts! Could be trouble. That's some syrup. Boson will loosen him up.
So many of these. My goodness.
I'm on your team.
Follow red, cross back square. Let's go.
Follow me, quick. Draw him over here. Pepper him with boson darts. Boy, he's really mad. There's our way in. Break for him.
Where? Here? Let's go.
It's okay, Ghostbusters. Just a level 5 thought form cross rip. The professionals are here. Everybody calmly exit the street. Make no sudden movements. What
What the
the?
heck? I'm looking at chat. Oh man. This game is very hectic. My goodness.
Quite
Oh, man.
surprise, kid.
It's off to me.
They got me! They got me!
This guy was
Oh,
waiting for us.
man.
How cool. He didn't attack. He was a gentleman.
He didn't find what he was looking for on the
Hang
bottom
on,
floors.
hang on, because
Come on.
I need to look at chat. You ever played Pokemon games prior to 2016 besides Pokemon? Oh, man, you're missing out. The game started way before 2016. Oh man. Scooby-Doo vibes? Nah, I wouldn't say Scooby-Doo vibes.
We've got to get to the top floors.
Ah, look at us. We're trapped inside now. Let's take off. Look at that! Doritos logo, do you see that? A Doritos logo. Sponsor! Low latency. What's that, Barry? Because is it because you're saying
All full. Going up.
I'm reacting before the video?
Just pass gas. Catch the next one. Relax, sir. We handle foul vapors all the time.
Let's stay in for lunch, you said. Why leave the building, you said. It'll be quiet, you said. You know you're fired.
You're right.
I
I
need to check
secretly
that out.
knew our lives would be in danger and thought,
called
hey,
low
I'll make
latency.
sure
I'll
I
check that
trap
out.
Mark with me inside an elevator!
Excuse us.
Just so we're clear, it's when I say ouch
Stay
before
with
I
me,
actually get
Haas.
hit. Is that what
I'm
you
sure
mean?
there's more fun up
Because
ahead.
people have told me that already. That I say ouch
Oh,
before I even get hit. Like, I don't know. Or I get surprised. I go, wow! Before the actual wow thing happens. Is that what you mean? Luca is just in time. Welcome, Luca. We're playing some
Keep an eye out.
Ghostbusters. Do we get him from here? Do you hear the banging? Do you hear the banging? My neighbor is banging. With a hammer on the wall. Where do I go from here? Interact with what? Oh yeah, because there's time for some water. Well, Vankman's getting coffee. I hate going around with the PKE meter. I really don't have time for this, but... Oh, that! Okay, I'll check that out. I'll check it out because I have no idea how it's done. Huh? I'm just figuring out stuff, one thing at a time. Today I just figured out, after 2 months of streaming,
Okay. It sure got quiet all of a
I
sudden.
figured out how to get sub-alerts working, finally. I was doing something wrong. But yeah. So my Steam is improving, one feature at a time. Look at that.
The PKE is going off.
Whoa.
They're in the
Knew it.
fence! They're in the fence! It's not alone! Gotta
So
move!
many.
Jeez! Watch out, they're smart!
Oh no! Bang it! So you do stream, Barry. I didn't know you did, actually.
Don't let them circle behind you! Ah, I'm covered in marshmallow minion goo! Stay Puft is working overtime generating these little creeps.
I don't have a streaming schedule actually, Semiconductor. I stream whenever I feel like. Well, actually, I always feel like streaming. I stream whenever I can. You know? Alright,
I'm hit!
might as well
I'm hit!
reload the checkpoint while I'm talking. So yeah, for instance, today, I didn't sleep. I didn't barely slept from last night. So I came back home from work around 8. Then I had some breakfast. Then I slept for like 2 or 3 hours. And I set my alarm clock purposely so I could wake up and stream. But I'm gonna have to go back and take a nap after this because I didn't sleep enough, so... Oh man, it's hard being me. It's not easy being me. But right now, we have no latency off. That means you say cheese and will appear in
Stay
stream
with
like
me,
30
Haas.
seconds from now. That's
Sure
not
there's
good.
more fun
That
up
is not
ahead.
good. I want you to hear my cheese right away.
Ghostbusters to the rescue! Huh?
I'm trying to read chat and follow the game. Alright, I'll check that out. I'll definitely check that out.
Uh-oh. No sudden movements. Okay, it sure got quiet all of a sudden.
If somebody is watching right now and hasn't subscribed, please do subscribe. You'd be the first one to actually use my my sub alerts. If they're working, you'll help me test them actually. You are just like me, Barry, actually. I am like that. People ask me about my streams on other people's streams and it annoys me. I don't
PKE
like
is going
that
off.
because... So I understand what you mean. But yeah, I'll check out your channel. I want to see what you play and what you stream. I want to backseat you. I'm kidding. There they are.
They're in the fence! They're in the fence!
Alright, balls on darts are the best here, actually. There we go. They're like shotgun blocks. There we go, you see?
More than I expected! Ow!
Come on, Ray, you're always telling me to use balls on darts, and now you're not using them.
Run!
Look at them, I got 2 at a time. And now I'm gonna take
Ow!
like 5 at a time.
Watch out, they're
You
flying!
guys see that? It overheats right away, though.
Don't let them circle behind you! Ah, I'm covered in marshmallow Indian goo! Stay Puft is working overtime, generating these little creeps.
It's like they're always coming. Look at him! He's on. Look at him! He's covered in marshmallow goo. Look at
Egon
him.
and I were
Oh, it's
talking
gone
about
now.
creating minions to get more work done in the lab. Maybe they could be domesticated, like Slimer.
He's doing tap dance, look. Alright, let's go. Oh man. You know, I'm assuming that was an autocorrect, Barry, but autocorrect takes from what you say most. So you probably say it a lot. Turn me on, and now you just said turn it on.
Good
And
shooting.
autocorrect was like, are you sure you didn't mean turn me on like you always do?
Nice and shining proton pack time.
You know what I would really like? Look, it's Stay Puft.
Venkman,
Give
come
him a
in, please.
mustache.
It's pandemonium up here. Chunks of the
This-
building
this,
missing
the
everywhere.
proton stream actually leads
You are
to Black
required
Mark,
at the site
wherever
now.
it goes, look.
So happy
See,
to
so
be
I'm
in
gonna try to
demand,
make
but these
give him a
sugar balls
mustache.
have
I'll
got
see
me
if I
nailed
can.
down. I can't get past them. They're disgusting, and they're unhealthy.
Did I mention there's a spectacularly beautiful lady in distress?
I'll be right there.
I would love to get a proton pack for Comic-Con and dress up as a Ghostbuster. I did find the uniform, you know, the jumpsuit. But me showing up to Comic-Con with just the jumpsuit, okay, Stay Puft is really looking for something in this building, and it's not us.
No!
It's her. He's looking for her.
Me!
Easy now, miss. Just relax. No sudden movements. You're perfectly safe now. Sudden movements! Sudden movements!
Ah, you see that? You know why that happened? The stream's crossed. Give him a mustache. I can't give him a mustache. More misery.
Run!
He's right away.
Oh, man. Find some cover.
More.
Not me. Careful.
Closing back is powerful, but over he's right away. Where did she go? Maybe by now you realize that.
Wow, check it out, kid. What a view, huh? Man,
But these guys are voiced
I
by
love
the
it.
actual Ghostbusters. Dan Aykroyd, Bill Murray, and so on and so forth. And that woman, we were chasing her. Her.
You're just lucky to have met someone as special as me, okay? It's okay. Dr. Venkman has you. You're fine now.
You didn't spill your coffee, did you, Peter?
Ray, I got coffee for all of us. But the little monster spilled it. And what's the story with those things anyway?
What? Was that a manifestation of ghosts?
Yeah, probably. It just may be. Could be. Would you like to take the most direct route out of here or the scenic route to its lady's choice?
There's a stairwell over here. Let's go.
Ooh. Yeah, grace under pressure. I appreciate that in a lady.
Okay, Slugger, let's you and me do this quick and quiet before Tubby Soft Squeeze out there figures out what we're up to.
That'd be soft squeeze.
I think Tubby Soft Squeeze has dog ears, Ray.
Let's keep the building. Anyway, I was gonna say, but I got distracted, as always. I get distracted so much.
We go up then,
What's going on?
to the roof.
I was gonna say that this lady is voiced by Alyssa Milano. You know who Alyssa Milano is?
Well, hello there.
It's,
Stay Puft spotted us. Move, move.
it's Phoebe from Charm. Alright, the higher we get on this building, Stay Puft
Not
won't
much
be able to
longer,
reach it
cadet.
anyway. We get higher. Well, we're enough upstairs.
That way.
Well, that's...
We're on the roof.
Come on. Let's go.
Whoa, ghost.
Stay back.
You know, actually, I take that back. I know what you meant by Scooby-Doo vibe in a way. Alright, let's join the trap now. Get in there. Get in there, sucker.
Got him on the ropes.
I know what you meant by Scooby-Doo
Hey,
vibe. Maybe the
over here.
monsters, because the ghosts, because they're very, very cheesy in a way.
Gotta move.
I mean, if you're saying ghosts, you're talking about people when they die, they turn into this, yeah?
Hey, over here. Little help? Yo, little help?
But I don't think ghosts turn into slimy monsters with big teeth and giant marshmallow guys and stuff.
Keep it going.
Oh, come on, man.
Eyes high.
This ghost is fast. I almost got you. And I got you. Get in the trap, buddy. Get in the trap. Bye. Oh, it's such a satisfying feeling trapping them in the traps. Trapping them in the traps. Vloggy soft squeeze. I'm gonna change my username, that's it. Yeah, but that's Peter Venkman. That's Peter Venkman. He is the cheesy one. Well, they're all cheesy. Are you guys gonna go check out the movie, the new movie, Ghostbusters, the female Ghostbusters movie? People hate it when you call it the female Ghostbusters movie, but it's a fact. It's the female Ghostbusters. It's the only distinction you can make from the 1985 Ghostbusters and this one, the new one, because they decided to rip off the name by calling it Ghostbusters again. I hate that so much. I take issue with that name. I could ramble on for hours about that name. Just gonna focus on the game now. Oh no! Come on! No!
They got me! They got me!
Get out! Come on! Uh-oh, two of us are down. It's all up to one person. Yes, you're gonna be on it. Come on. You have one job, buddy. Come on. This might take a while. Alright, thank you very much. Oh, come on. I just got up. This guy is going down.
Run! It's on your
I
left.
didn't even know that high. Okay, there we go.
It's a whole bunch of them. Yow! Ow! Creep!
No! Ah, I had him. Try again.
Hey! On the right!
You ghosts are starting to piss me off now.
Don't stop!
Gonna slam you over the place now.
Stand clear! Stand clear!
Bye. What the? Wasn't you catching it? Get in there. Trap.
Ooh, man, that stings!
Gotcha. Get in there.
I don't mean to alarm you, but we have lost sight of Stay Puft.
Well,
Strong signal!
no. The only explanation is that the director, Paul Feig, or Feig, or Fig, or whatever, okay, felt like doing something different. But that's fine. I don't take issue with them being females. Honestly, I don't. It's just that you don't give credit to the first movie. You know, you're not acknowledging the first movie at all. The original Ghostbusters are going to make... No, I was gonna say the original Ghostbusters. The actors are going to make a cameo, but not as their characters. Whoa! Even mustache.
Pay attention! That's how you do it. Great job, you guys. Ah! Free s'mores for everybody from 54th Street to 5th Avenue. Happy Thanksgiving!
There he goes. Big evil sailor all the way to the... Oh! Not quite. Didn't make it. Hey, Ray, say three guys the size of your finger knocked you off the side of a 30-story building and you had to climb all the way back up to tear them apart. How mad would you be at those three little dinky types?
I'd go with mighty pissed.
Okay, and throw in a sugar high, too.
That giant blue and white toy man thing, or whatever, is still coming. It's climbing the building.
I'm impressed with his agility, considering his complete lack of bones.
Good news. We've got the Super Slammer back on pulse and Ecto 1 is rolling. We're repositioning now. Can you hold the Stay Puft there for a few minutes?
If by few you mean less than one, then sure, we can do that.
Hey, did somebody tell you it was break time?
No sweat, kid. We've got you.
Well, as long as you're down there, would you see if you could knock off Mr. Sweetness?
Okay, so I fell off and now I'm hanging. Look at them, they're holding me. I need to start shooting him. He's climbing the building. Look at him.
All right there, Sunshine. Are you okay? You're all strapped in. We've got a good tight grip on your belt. Here he comes! The Big Daddy manifestation himself! A raging blob of densely packed marshmallow! Oh boy! Melt him, Chief! Give him full screen!
I'm sure you need boson
He's
darts.
right,
Maybe it's
Rookie.
more powerful.
Health
I don't know.
insurance doesn't begin for another 89 days.
More of those minis. How many can he generate?
From 200,000 square feet of solid marshmallow? Probably 60.
Yeah, the thing is this.
Boson darts should
People
do the
complained
trick.
about the movie, but it's not because they were female. I have no issue with them being females. It's just not acknowledged in the first two movies. It's like they never existed. You know? That annoys me so much. And you have the
Soften
nerve
up
to
with your
call it
boson darts.
Ghostbusters? Call it something else. Call it Ghostbusters Rebooted. Call it Ghostbusters The New Recruits. Something like that. No! It's annoying. That's the problem I have.
Hit him with boson darts!
Yeah, you see, I have to call it the new Ghostbusters now because there's no distinction between Ghostbusters and Ghostbusters. He's getting close, huh? He's getting close. Come on, come on. Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Pepper him with boson darts!
Is that his upset look? What do you think, Dick?
Actually, speaking of Ghostbusters, no, I got it. Speaking of Ghostbusters, I have been the May edition of Nerd Block. I still haven't opened it yet. Maybe I'll do this after this stream. Maybe I'll do it after this stream. And apparently, it has a Ghostbuster item. I don't know. I'm not so sure. I think it does.
Boson will loosen him up!
I'm not saying I think. I'm sure it does because it says so on the. It says so on the piece of paper from the previous one. So yeah. Look forward to that.
Boson darts!
This is not good, man. This is not. God freaking dang it! Well, everything is cheesy. Everything is cheesy, Barry. Everything is cheesy. I love cheese. Oh, I have to put the... You know what? Is there time for me to make myself a drink while this thing loads? I think there is. Be right back. Nope, there wasn't enough time.
All right there, Sunshine.
I'm in fear at the
Are
bottom.
you okay? You're all strapped in. We've got a good tight grip on your belt.
Come
Here
on,
he
Steve,
comes!
die. Take
The
yourself a
Big
drink.
Daddy manifestation himself! A raging blob of densely packed marshmallow! Oh boy! Melt him, Chief! Give him full
Full
screen!
stream, like there's
He's
such
right,
thing as a
Rookie.
half
Your health
stream.
insurance doesn't begin for another 89 days.
More of those minis. How many can he generate?
From 200,000 square feet of solid marshmallow? Probably 60.
Boson darts should do the trick.
Come on.
Soften him up with your boson darts!
Spider-Puffed.
Hit him with boson darts!
Is that his upset look? What do you think, Rick?
Boson darts!
Trying to do. Lazy gaming in the house. Lazy, watch this, lazy gaming, watch this. Watch this, hang on.
You got him on the ropes, Lobster! Land the last one so we can go home!
Watch this one's for you. This one's for you. Come on, do it!
Boson darts!
This one's for you, buddy, look.
You've killed my dessert!
Scoreboard reads Ghostbusters 2, Gozer the Gozerian 0. Looking like a real big leaguer out there, champ.
Ray, Peter, we're in position. The trap is set. We're prepared to capture Stay Puft. Where is he?
He's that white pup.
Hello,
you're
Rosie. I
driving
didn't
to?
notice you were here. Hello, Rosie. Welcome to the
Timing's
stream.
off by just a hair,
Everybody
Egon,
welcome to
but
the
we're
stream.
glad the trap is
In
working
case I missed
again.
somebody. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for stopping by.
I guess I owe you guys my life.
She's clean.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. All extremely weird things considered.
So far, just another screwed up day at the office. You know, I never forget a face attached to all the rest
Barry.
of it. I think we met earlier at the Central Hotel. You gave me the sideshow chicken drop.
My name's Alyssa. Dr. Alyssa Selwyn. And
I am Dr. Peter Venkman. And that's Egon. It's Ray.
I shouldn't have, really. Okay, I'll take it back.
You met him.
uh-huh, the Ghostbusters.
Have you ever been involved in this type of quantum temporal rift event before?
A quantum what?
It's called arcing, a large pulse of psychic energy.
Actually, yes. I was at the museum. A pulse of blue light surged through the building, and then I was standing outside a room on the 13th floor of an old hotel.
The Sedgwick.
The Sedgwick doesn't have a 13th floor.
It was pulling me like a magnet. I felt as though I was in a deep dream. I came to and ran over here.
Here?
It's a temporary office while I'm in town. I came to do some research after I woke up.
We'd like you to come to our lab so we can run some brief tests and ask you more questions.
Here's an easy one. Would you like to go out for Thai? Mexican? Japanese?
Wow, Dr. Venkman. That time you almost went 45 seconds without saying something abrasive. Want to try for a whole minute next time?
A doctor, and a fiery one, too. Charming. So charming.
This just in. Sean Slaughter is in. Welcome, Sean Slaughter. Thank you so much for stopping by. We are playing some Ghostbusters. We're back in the firehouse. And as always, Peter Venkman. Peter Venkman is goofing off. Can I play? May I play? I want to play. What's he playing? What game is it anyway? Is it Galaga? Is it Galaga? Tell me in the chat. Is it Galaga? You stream at 1 PM and 7 PM, so that's pretty much okay. Yeah, because of work, but yeah, I'll try to make it to one of your streams, Barry. I'll try to. I'm gonna play some Cubert now. Oh, the game is glitched. Oh no, it didn't. Okay, let's go. Look at me, I'm a pole dancer. He's back in the aquarium. Hello, Slimer. You like it in there? I'm sorry I'm wasting time looking at all the things, but it's awesome.
We can schedule a visit, next Thursday, sometime between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. I'm afraid that's the soonest opening we have. All right, I've got you down for then. Oh, it won't be necessary to call before they arrive. Believe me, you'll know it. That'll be fine. Goodbye.
I am Vigo the Destroyer.
Destroyer of what? Paintings? Alright, let's go. I'm wasting too much time looking around the firehouse because it's fantastic. Look at that.
So you know so much about Gozer because...
Because I'm a specialist in ancient Mesopotamian cultures and architecture. Sumerian primarily. Gozerian more specifically. I'm here as a guest curator for the Gozerian exhibit that's opening tomorrow at the Natural History Museum.
You are aware that we also have some history with Gozer.
Yes, of course.
Gozer was a bush leaguer before he met us. A strictly farm team deity. We put him on the map.
But our getting stiffed on invites to opening night, just an oversight, right?
I don't have anything to do with that.
That, gentlemen, was all me. And I can assure you it was not an oversight.
Oh, by the way, you have visitors.
Thanks, Janine. You're a first-class lookout. Walter Peck. I did not recognize you without the mayor's backside attached to your nose.
Okay, everybody put them back in their skivvies. Apologies. Dr. Selwyn, are you all right?
I think so, but I'm worried about the exhibit.
Are you kidding? You can't buy publicity like this. The guest curator of the Gozer exhibit, the expert Peck recommended, is attacked the night before the opening by Gozer himself? Please, tell me that was Gozer.
Gozer manifested in a familiar form, one he had used before, the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man, but this event was weaker than his first encounter with us.
Ha! That's all I need, thanks!
Come on, Jock. What's the idea of bringing Peck around here? Oh, have I coughed at the wrong time?
Listen, here's the deal. You and Peck and all you guys are going to work together.
What?
No way, no how.
Impossible.
Look, this city has given you at least a dozen contracts for the jails, courthouses, and wharves. You guys want to grow your business. Get some county and state work, too. I'm all for it. You've been big supporters and great for my campaign.
Well, some have said our endorsement is what got you elected.
But not out loud. Anyway, after all the damage you've been causing lately, the city council wants you under close supervision for a period of no less than 6 months.
We file reports on time. There's no need for extra supervision.
Funny guy, Venkman. You've always been my favorite. Well, that's where your old friend Peck comes in. He's annoying, a stickler for the rules. In other words, the perfect Peck for the job. He's our new head of Peacock.
Peacock?
PCOC, Paranormal Contracts Oversight Commission. And my first official act is going to be suspending you clowns' operating license.
Lighten up, Peck. Launch your investigation if you have to, but for now just keep them under control and my office in the loop. But remember, if the Ghostbusters cease to exist, so does your job. So you need each other. Beautiful in an ironic, symmetrical kind of way, isn't it?
Hey, Mulligan, come on.
It's Mayor Mulligan to you, Venkman. So, we have an understanding? This kind of protects us all. You want more government business, I want to keep my approval rating, and Peck wants his little fiefdom. You play by the rules. Easy. We all get what we want, and the city council gets what they need. Okay, big night tomorrow, Alyssa. Get some rest.
So,
God, even the mayor's
now that we're
cheesy.
all friends, can we get invites to the
Mayor
museum
McCheese.
opening?
Not likely. But I'll be seeing you soon. You can count on that.
Doesn't Peck look exactly like the kind of guy who'd accidentally walk into the stream of a Bosun glider? I'm just saying, it could happen.
Oh man. I don't know what's cheesier / funnier, the chat or the game right now.
We do not advise that you
Oh,
attempt
man.
to perform a 3D type 5 exorcism on yourself.
Okay, so, interact.
Ray and I have been talking.
And we think we should have a look at the museum. Whatever happened tonight, it started there.
Okay. I'll take one for the team. Stay with Ilsa. You guys go with Winston and the recruit. I'll be your personal protection.
What about Peck? He's supposed to be informed of everything we do.
What he doesn't know can't hurt us.
Hey guys, you need to make a detour. Something big is going down. It's on 1010 Winds now.
Tune it in.
And another ghostly sighting has staff at the New York Public Library scrambling for answers.
The Gray Lady.
Let's get her for real this time.
Well, what about the museum?
It's been there for 104 years. Where's it gonna go today?
This thing you guys have for the Great Lady borders on the weird. You know that, right?
She made us look like schmucks. Not this time.
Oh, and another thing, Pat called and says that I'm required to tell him where you are and what you are up to.
Tell him he can meet us at the museum. We'll be there. Eventually.
Well, look at that, we have fans.
Big crowd. Venkman would love this.
Captain McMahon from the 12th says there was a massive disturbance. Real fireworks show.
Not much going on now.
Maybe. But didn't there used to be 2 lions out here?
Check for valences.
Interesting. Ray,
Stop!
look at this.
Stop insulting my Ghostbusters!
Hey, Cadet, you need to see this.
Examine the lion statue. Let's examine the lion statue. Whoa.
Stand back!
Look out! There they
Whoa!
go!
Double full torso animators! Come on, after them!
You heard Stance, let's move.
No, I've never been to the New York Public
There they
Library.
are.
I've never been there, but I would love to go one day.
Couple of class
Is this
5
really what it looks
animators.
inside?
Never
They
seen
get
them
this
in
right?
tandem like
I
that.
wonder.
They're really agitated.
Switching on the packs.
There they are.
All right, take it easy.
Hey, he said take it easy. That's not easy. Miss! Damn!
Sorry, Z.
How about a little warning next time, fellas?
That one's a beast, Ray. Let's chase him down. Winston, check that next doorway. See if he has any friends.
Leave a haunted room. I got no problem with that.
Hey, Cadet. To use the shock blaster, it's best to get in fairly close. Its effects are powerful, but dissipate quickly over distance.
I'm gonna cry. Stop insulting my Ghostbusters. They're awesome. I'm gonna be a Ghostbusters when I grow up. And I want Ray to teach me how to pick up chicks.
And please be careful. It's a prototype. We're trusting you with it.
The stasis stream will temporarily slow down paranormal entities. If you train the stream on the target long enough, you can actually stop it entirely.
This is how you use
Uh-huh. Press this to equip the stasis stream. Fantastic. So now...
A stasis stream. This has nothing to do with cold, but the effect is similar.
When do you have the time to work on all this stuff, Egon?
I've been conducting an experiment in which I sleep an average 14 minutes a day. Leaves me a lot of time to work.
Great. Ready to roll. Hey, Haas, you think you can handle that little fella yourself? We'll meet you back here.
So now I have a stasis stream. Look how my proton pack opens. Zoop! I love it. Okay.
Come on! After them!
I hear them, but I don't see them. Maybe my ears are better geared than this thing I'm holding. Oh, found you. No, Rosie, I don't know. I don't know if you're joking or not, but no, it's not. It's 2009 actually. 2009. I'm assuming that the 2016 game is gonna be all females now, I assume. Man, I hate looking for ghosts. I hate this part. Where do I go from here? I'm tired now. I'm guessing it's you.
Stay alert.
No.
Keep your PKE
Maybe
meter up.
it's you.
Animators can hide in anything. Hey! Ugly just shot around that corner!
Look, it's the cadet!
Strong emanations, no direct source though.
The graphics arcade are not that bad.
Gave us the slip.
Detecting a very
They're not that
strong
bad, Barry.
anomaly.
Come on, man.
Uh-oh, here comes something big.
I'm gonna use Minecraft as an example again.
That is a prime example of a level 6
I'm
five-dimensional.
gonna use Minecraft as an example. Minecraft came after this game, and it still has bad graphics.
Egon, did I mention what a good idea you had to come up on the balcony?
Whoa, look what I just did. Oh yes,
Slow
I
it
can use the
down.
stasis tree. Look, it's slowing down with the stasis tree.
Slow it down somehow.
Stop it cold!
Is there time to scan it real quick? Yeah.
To the right.
so quiet. I was so focusing.
PK
I would
energy
bust
must
you,
have
buddy.
taken to collect and
I'll
animate
bust you
an
next time you
entity
stream.
like
I'll
that.
bust you.
A lot of very angry energy.
Oh, come on. It's not 1906.
How easy was
Stop
that?
it.
Wait, not so
Gonna have a
fast.
sip of
We're
wine
getting
now.
some big fluxes here.
Ah, this is good stuff. Okay.
Let's get a scan.
I think it's her. Yes! Yes, it is her! Eleanor Twitty, the librarian!
Look, there she is. Meet us at the stairway door.
I only finished this game once. Back in 2009. So, it's pretty much a blind playthrough anyway. Can you still call it a blind playthrough? Barry, tell me. Where do I go from here?
She went down that way!
Winston, check upstairs to see if the other Phantom doubled back. Roger.
I'm not drunk.
She shushed us again. That witch!
Not drunk, son of a gun. No, as if. I don't drunk. You see, Rosie, this is why we burned the books. This is why we burned the books. Books are evil. There they go again. Look. Look. Okay? This is why you shouldn't have books at home. Never. Books are evil. I'm so funny. I make myself laugh sometimes.
PKE's out, and try to be quiet.
Everybody's looking at his PKE meter, and apparently I think there's something wrong with this room. I think I should equip my
Full
PKE
stabilizing
meter.
levitation.
What do you guys think?
I'd say we're close to something.
Yeah, I think I should.
Ray,
You got something?
I've got something right here.
Kid, check that out.
Funny enough, I'm not picking up anything.
I've got.
Gotcha.
Ah!
Ooh, she keeps shushing us. That's her, the Gray Lady. She's the first ghost we ever hunted. Man, I wish Venkman was here.
I'm
Actually,
pretty
it's
sure
not really
Venkman
wine.
doesn't.
It's
Easy
port.
now.
It's
She's
white
real
port.
skittish.
Damn, lost it.
Let's go. We'll cut her off.
These readings are off the charts. And I'll have to make new charts.
Wow. Now listen, this place is reading like a psychic pressure cooker. Prime your thrower. Everybody stick close together.
Of course, we're gonna get separated now.
What was that?
Here, this way, quick!
Okay, so much for stick together. New plan is fan out.
Flexible approach, Ray.
There are 2 hostile spirits roaming around in here.
2 that we know about.
It's so funny. Let's stick together. Thank you so much for coming by, Rosie. Thank you so much. You do what you gotta do. See ya. Uncover you, jeez. I love how they were like, let's stick together, and the ghosts separated them. They had no choice, they were separated, and he went like, new plan, let's fan out. You got no choice, man, you gotta fan out.
Now I got you. What? Oh no, kid, look out! It's coming your way!
We're gonna run this area. I don't like dark places. Let's run. Run.
Temperature's dropping. Event imminent. Brace yourselves.
Guys, I'm in the periodical archives looking at a stack of
saw
old
her.
newspaper clippings. All about some nut named Edmund Hoover, a.k.a. The Collector. Go on. This dude has a history you should know about. He was a rare book collector who seduced Eleanor Twitty, the head librarian of this place.
The Gray Lady?
That would be my guess.
It's so dark in here. Over there. Ah. These books are arranged by an alphabetical order, so I don't want to touch them. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. Alright, we need to catch this ghost now. They don't need capturing, apparently. They just get destroyed with the stream.
Okay, guys, it's dead up here. The good kind of me. You all cool?
We may need to get back to you on that.
What's your 20? I'm in some kind of a dark tunnel moving fast towards a bright light. Oof! Class 1 swarmers! Pesky but combustible.
You're just a bunch of class 1s. You got nothing. Go away. You got nothing. You're class 1. Class 1's like saying you are the berry of YouTube. Oh, I'm just pulling your leg, buddy.
They got me! They got me!
They got you? Where are you? Ray.
Where's that class 5 animator? Track the slut here. There's the big fish! See what he did? Give him a new home.
You know what?
In our containment facility.
I'm gonna stasis stream. I'm gonna freeze you. Ooh, okay. No.
Throw your clap rook!
See, I got it.
Look, did you see that? More than I expected.
Oh, come on, come on. Aw, Ray, you're useless.
Ah, he
You are useless, Ray.
Get that one in the books! I get it. You gotta try everything once, but not this. This is technically a fireable offense, Junior. Stay calm. Help's coming. Yow! Oh no, no crossing the street.
Alright, time for the stasis stream again. Freeze, buddy. Freeze. And now... I got you.
It's on your left.
Join the chat. Buddy, counter it, buddy. Yeah, gotcha. Oh my goodness. You're a persistent little thing. Get in there. Son of a biscuit. In there.
They got me! They
Yes,
got
and
me!
I got one here. I can't do anything right now.
Man down, man down!
Oh, I have to let go of this ghost so I can help the stupid Ray. Ray, you are useless.
Help!
Let's go.
Damn, that stings! Eyes high! Ow! I got you!
Ooh! The mission failed because he had one job to pick me up. Pick me up.
Ah, he got me!
Oh man. Have to listen to the song again.
There's something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Let's try again. You know what? I teach the librarian and I'll stop here because I'm tired. I need
Okay,
to nap.
guys, it's dead up here. The good kind, I mean. You all cool?
We may need to get back to you on that.
Hey kid, what's your 20? I'm in some kind of a dark tunnel moving fast towards a bright light. Oof! Class 1 swarmers! Pesky but combustible. Could be trouble. Take it apart! Bad idea. Don't cross the street. It's on
You know
your
what?
left.
Crossing the seems easier said than done.
Now, where's that Class 5 animator? Track the slut here. There's the big fish! See what he did? Give him a new home. In our containment facility.
You douche bucket, come on.
Throw your trap hook! Look, did you see that? More than I expected.
Confusing. Confusing everything.
Give it to him! That's some serious bad. That's a nice start. Ow! Creep!
Again, I catch a ghost.
Man down,
You're
man
freaking
down.
useless, Ray.
More than I expected. Stuck one past me.
Now I need help. And probably he's gonna fall as well. Come on.
Bad idea. Don't cross the street.
creep. You've got him on the ropes. Give it another drop. All yours! Kapow, creep! Watch out, would you? It's on your left. Whammo! I've got a hold on it. Could be trouble. You're not gonna leave them all for free, are you? Kapow, creep! You own
Oh my goodness, it's taking forever to catch this guy.
Okay, you've got to use a little patience on some balls. All
We should
yours!
just gang up on this one first.
More than I expected. Okay, I've got a beat on him. You own that creep. Now that hurt.
I didn't get. Who got him? Oh my goodness! I can't capture a ghost. I failed at my job. Oh man.
Scanning. Not much longer to that.
Oh my goodness. Why am I having such a hard time capturing these ghosts? What am I doing wrong?
Just missed it. They built that one in Pittsburgh.
Alright, let me try to put the trap in another place perhaps. Maybe it helps. Trying it here perhaps.
Look behind you. Wham! Now bring it in!
Oh my goodness.
Ow! Painful. Kapow, creep! You own that creep. Whites in their eyes, kid.
Oh my goodness, finally. I got one.
I'll be easy like that.
That took forever! That took forever!
Whew, good work.
It's alright,
That
Barry.
took some doing.
Take your time. Thank you so much for coming.
Congratulations,
You
Ray.
do what you gotta do.
But I'm near Special Collections.
I
Someone
don't
you've
want to
been
have
wanting
to
to
pick
meet
up
again
girls from
is
Malta
here.
because they're very pretty.
We're on our way!
If I'm not mistaken, well, I think you're gone now. But I want. I think you're gone now, so I'll ask you something else when you're back. Okay. Where did Ray go? Wow, Ray, I help you and you leave now, yeah?
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here. Keep an eye on the twitchy ones. They'll really crease you if you aren't. Come on, let's go!
My library card! Oh man, it's gonna take me forever to find it.
You okay? Watch it! Get him! Mind the paper cuts! Roast him!
These ghosts are actually made of library cards.
Give him the what for! Quick! Scan it for the database! You don't want to do that now.
bit how hard this is. But again, I'm not saying this is easy or anything. I'm saying this one.
I like your style, kid. You're all right.
Of course I'm alright.
Oh! Oh man, that stings!
There's more over there.
Keep it going. Looks like the Grey Lady makes her own reinforcements. Keep your eyes open, team. She's upping the ante.
Thanks for the warning, Ray. But I have no idea what you're talking about.
You may want to just take our word for it.
Let's get a solid scan.
I missed that, Ray. Please repeat.
Enough with the shushing! Well, at least we're getting closer.
Could not hear a word of that, Ray. Ray!
Where to, Ray? After you. Ah, after me? No, this is not the right way. Oh, there she is!
No propping. Just don't do it.
So many books! So many flying books!
Ah! Yow! Hey, watch it!
Awesome when I take down like 5 at one go.
Check your aim! On the right! Gives you the creeps, huh? Nicely done, cadet! Come on, kid. We need to get out of here.
It's not the right way, is it? Ray?
Winston, where the heck are you?
In the periodical section, checking the box scores from the Knicks game last night. Why?
Tell us more about this collector, Winston.
Says here that this collector used the Grey Lady to get to the rare books in her care. Specifically, a book called, get this, the Gozerian Codex.
Great!
Yeah, and when she found out what he was up to, she dumped him.
Smart lady.
Not really. Evidently, he murdered her for it.
Uh-oh.
The Grey Lady was his first victim, but he killed a bunch more.
And let me guess, he collected their bodies just like he collected books?
Bingo! Ray, you get to buy me dinner. And here's the last on the collector. Seconds before he was hanged, he said he would return as Azet Lord, some sort of god, to keep watch over the library and every rare book in its collection.
Sounds like quite the bookworm.
Sounds like the kind we run into all the time.
Okay. I don't know what the point of this is. I have no idea. I don't get the point.
Okay, I'm not saying that's a bad sign, but it sure isn't a good one. Jeez!
Whoa.
That'll only hurt for a minute.
Come on, Ray, I took one down. Now it's your turn to take one down.
Watch it! You hear that? It's around here someplace. Uh-huh. Somebody's in here. It's children. What are they saying? I think they're trying to tell us something.
I have no idea. Come on, man.
Bye.
You got that right, Scooter. Here's the place. Special collections. These rooms are packed with rare and valuable volumes. Okay, she's in here with Egon. No noise.
She's in there. There she is. I want to scan her.
Almost.
Scan.
Oh boy.
Oh man.
It's like they're throwing a whole
These
science
things.
fiction section.
Can't pass through the shield!
Their shields. Use the capture stream on their shields.
Wrangle
Okay, I
their
need to
shield!
wrangle the shield. Take the shield away from them. There we go. This one? Oh, they're gone. Oh. Good job, boys.
Remember how you were saying Print was dead?
Hey, Oksana! Welcome.
Now where'd she go?
Valence is up. She
Playing
definitely
some
left
more
a trace somewhere.
Ghostbusters. Some cheesy Ghostbusters.
Big spike. Right here.
Yeah, check this out. I feel a breeze. Oh, cool! Secret passages! These are great!
There was a secret passage in the New York Library. How weird. Anyway.
I didn't even know this area
Nobody
existed.
Looks like the janitors didn't either. What are those? I don't recognize them from Tobin's.
No. They're in the revised Efieri catalog. I think the Grey Lady is constructing them from the books and minor spirits here. She may be more powerful than we thought.
Don't cross the streams. It's rule number 1. It's rule number 1. You know, buddy. Thank you for joining the stream.
Take a look at this place. I could spend a month taking inventory of these books.
Let's be very careful what we wish for down here, Ray.
I think this is where it should be.
We should tell Winston to get down here. We could probably use his help. Wow. Dig that.
Something's not
Ray,
right over
I'm
here.
not entirely convinced this is the best course of action.
Hey, I'll bet this is a trap.
Welcome back, Ray.
Okay, here we go. Ooh, so many!
Could be trouble. Uh-oh, they've got friends.
Oh.
You've got him on the ropes!
It's moving again!
Over to the left! Pull the same trick twice! You've got him on the rope! Get that one in the books! Ow! Never saw one hit him. Look behind you! Destroyed.
I'm having serious doubts about the structural integrity of this sub-basement.
Moving!
I'm telling you, the substructure is unstable. The ceiling could come down on top of us.
Go.
Our low probe experiment is working! You're clairvoyant!
No, I saw the support columns buckle.
Hang on, let me switch to stasis stream. I can freeze him. There you go. Freeze up, buddy. Switching to stasis stream again.
That's trouble.
Where are you? Where'd he go? Freeze him. There you go. Almost there.
Avoid haunting the stream.
And down he goes.
Okay, I'm on your side. He's on the move.
I'm here. Ah, crap, he keeps escaping.
Creep! It's on your left! Hold on!
In you go. In you go. Gotcha. There she is.
Over there!
Hey, sexy lady.
Oh boy.
He's not here. Enough with the shushing. Whoa.
Creepy.
It's getting darker in here. Can we switch on a flashlight or something? I'm not scared, lady.
Those beams are wedged solid.
I can't see a thing.
Good place for the capture stream.
Rhino beams with your capture stream. Okay, so what we're gonna do is... Okay. Oh, crap. Let's try again. What am I doing though? Come on.
Wonder what's down there.
Something big, and more than likely terrifying.
I'm not looking at the stream all the time, buddy. Sometimes I'm too busy playing. But yes, welcome to the stream.
It's really dark.
Welcome.
Damn, too.
Wonderful.
Playing a 2009
Hope we don't
game.
have any open cuts. Thinking
Ghostbusters.
flesh-eating bacteria.
That's an electric lock on the door.
See if we can find the power.
Great, the recruit found it. Now, I wonder if it's a good idea to be standing in 1.5 foot of water.
Ouch.
That didn't last long.
Stacy Stream. Activate. The thing is, the Stacy Stream always slows it down, doesn't it? Completely slow. There's no point. Might as well do some damage.
On your left!
Same team!
I want to capture the librarian before I end the stream.
Oh! Not me,
This is
them!
not good.
Stay on it! Turn around!
Come on. Did I get you?
Can't say I'm a big fan of the level 6 bidimensional attractor.
I'm with you on that. We're lucky there were only some old books for it to manifest with.
Recruit, you okay? Let's keep moving. This is cheery. Nice place. Nothing bad could ever happen in here.
There she is! Flank her! She's got nowhere to run! Except through the grate.
I'm not clear on how the flanking was supposed to work.
Alright, Stacy Stream. Go.
Burning coal. Two of them this time.
Nice, Ray. Tell us again how lucky you were. That's good. Keep working.
Okay, we can take off the grate. There we go. That's one.
Ow! Ooh, man, that stings!
Apparently, now you got the problem with something you just said, Oksana.
We may have missed that
If
window,
it's all
Ray.
uppercase or you try to
Well, we
post a
can't
link
follow
or
her through
something,
that
it
grate.
will just
Is
kick
there
you
another
out.
way?
Sorry, but that's how it is. Be careful. But Nightbot is very sensitive to spam and all this stuff. Sorry. Now where to?
See if you can pick up a signal.
What you find there, young blood? Good work. Spangler, the kid found the exit.
I added something new to the pack. This is the PDS, Plasm Distribution System. Basically, it's Slime Blower Mark II, heavily modified from the earlier version. Your plasm banks are now integrated into the proton pack. It uses a base culture of ectoplasm that can impair entities, cause caustic black slime to go inert, and reveal otherwise invisible ethereal structures that reside on this plane.
Okay, so.
To use the slime blower, just point and squirt. It'll help neutralize any active patches of black slime. It'll close any portals they're opening too.
Slime now. Okay, fantastic.
See? Neutralized slime.
Awesome.
Our own private shortcut to hell. That's convenient.
Eerie place. I wonder if this is where the collector killed the librarian.
I think that would be a safe assumption. That book she's reading is emitting massive energy.
That's your cue, killer. Go get him.
I have the noisiest neighbors, my goodness. Can you hear them? I think they stopped talking right in front of my door. Can you hear them? Shh! I'm gonna blast you now with slime. No? It's the proton stream then. Nope. I just interact then. Okay. Vlog busters, dun 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 dun. You got it right, buddy.
She took that pretty well, better than I expected.
It makes perfect sense if her residual spirit energy is tied to the book. The Gozerian Codex, right? Now that we have it, her echo must have been released. She's gone. I think we helped her cross over.
Is that it then? We helped her cross over. Okay, so we didn't capture her then. She went to a happy place. And our job here is done? Is that it? Can I end the stream? She's here.
And she just crossed right back.
Oh, no.
Oh! She didn't cross over anyone. Defeat the librarian. Let's catch the librarian. So many books.
Bookstand is generating her shield.
Buddy, the podium! Sofa! Sofa!
Oh man! Good. Oh, hang on. The podiums.
Here they come!
Destroy them! They're supplying energy for the books. Okay. I can do that.
That's it. She can't regenerate the cage. Keep hitting the book stand.
Book stands or whatever they are. Podium. Oh my goodness. Come on.
I understand the urge to experiment, but crossing the streams is a terrible idea. Look out, on your left!
I keep listening because they're so thin. Revive
Some
somebody.
help here.
The book stands are generating
Right to their eyes, kid. Eyes high. Right in the bread basket. That's not bread.
So hard to get the books. It was a podium forever. Oh,
Just 1 second. She is shielding herself with the codices. Go after those first.
come on, I'm getting hungry. This goes before I go eat. Okay, last one I think. No, true. There's
Aim
two
high.
left. Oh, come on. What if I hit them with the stasis tree, perhaps? Maybe to slow them down.
not much longer. Book stands are generating her shield.
No, it's too hard.
Aim high.
Move down.
Pretty clever.
Come on.
Beware of the flash. She is shielding herself with the codices. Go after those first.
Right? Yes, just the last one. Last one. I can't get there anyway. You need to take that out. Anyway.
It's on your left.
The book stands are generating her shield.
I actually never gave the franchise a try. I never gave it a try.
Go after those first.
I think I took them down.
That does it. Now
Yes.
let's attack the librarian straight on.
Come on.
Aim
I'm
high.
gonna clip the stasis tree now. Maybe I can slow her down. I'm gonna get you. There you go.
Behind you.
It's time to freeze you.
Gotta find some cover.
Oh, come on.
Up high.
Look behind you. To the right.
Eyes high. Throw a capture stream on her.
Capture stream it is. Let's go.
That's good. Throw out the trap.
We got you! We got you! Going in the trap!
You've got him on the ropes!
Goodbye, librarian. It was nice knowing you.
Well done.
Weird. That wasn't as tough as it should have been.
I was just thinking the same thing.
It was almost too easy. Like she wants us to have the Codex.
Yes, like she wanted us to blast this room apart.
But why? Cross-dimensional portal. From the 5th to the 4th. A whole world of ghosts. Something I've dreamt about since college. It's all in the Monarchia Demonium. Fantastic. Ghost world.
I wouldn't get too excited, Ray. I have a feeling she did it so we could meet an old friend of hers.
Well, if we're going...
Not much choice, is there? It's the only way out. You, take the lead. Don't worry, we do this all the time.
What is this?
Oh no! Look out!
So this is what the public library looks like on the far side of a cross-dimensional portal.
It's one of infinite potential configurations. You know, theoretically.
So as I was saying, I never gave Kingdom Hearts
Yes, well,
a try.
this looks like the
Never.
Gozerian configuration.
I got nothing against it. It's just I don't have the time to play all the games. You know how it is.
Watch out!
Let's go. This is slime. So what I need to do is... Oops, slime. I said slime. No? Let's go.
Come on, let's go! Alright, keep your head down and keep hitting these portals. One of them has got to lead out.
The scientific method, Ray?
Uh-oh. On my own again.
The natives are restless.
Well, they're certainly aware of our presence.
No. Maybe this one? Nope. Oh, I have to find the right portal. I have to keep going through the doors. We're playing Portal. No, it disintegrated! Two of them. Run, run. Ah! actually playing Portal. The way out. What? No problem, bring it on, buddy. I see ghosts. What just happened? Run. Bye. Okay, so I saw a way up. Let me go through here. Okay, up there.
Well, that was embarrassing. Looks like a good place for slime tethering. To stretch a slime tether, point and launch the first anchor, then point and shoot the second. The launched slime tether will then contract. The more tethers you attach to a point, the stronger the result.
Slime tethers.
Since their ectoplasmic charge has a short half-life, tethers will grow brittle over time and then break. You can blast an existing
like
tether with
this,
any other equipment type to destroy
like
it.
It's not pulling though. Let's try again. It's not working. It's not working, Ray. Your invention is not working.
Scan it for the guide, now!
What if I do it from here, perhaps? No, it has to pull from here. It's not working. Yeah, sorry about that. Did she do it? Yeah. I need to check what's going on with Nightbot. I know, but stupid Nightbot sometimes acts up. But he didn't kick her out. He didn't ban her. Oh. He didn't ban her though. He just timed her out for like 600 seconds according to this. So she's all right. I have to apologize on Nightbot's behalf.
Heck, we should be able to put that back into place. Ghost world or no, the principle of leverage should still work the same anywhere.
Okay, I got it. Let's go.
Ray,
Yeah,
it
you're
occurs
on
to me
fire,
that these
Cadet.
events are interrelated.
The Gozerian exhibit, the huge energy pulse, the Sedgwick Hotel, the return of Stay Puft. Yeah.
Yes, even this. all pointing back to a single point of origin.
Yelissa?
No,
Yelissa.
I'm on my own again.
Rookie, you still there? Watch out. The mirrors aren't what they seem.
And Barry is back. Barry is back. You better watch out, because Barry is back. I have no idea where I'm going. There's a ghost here somewhere, but he's trolling me. He won't show himself. Himself, herself, itself. Random guy, I don't know. You don't know him. Hey, it's Barry. He's Barry YTG. I need to capture this ghost. This ghost is causing these problems. This ghost is trapping me here. What if I don't feel like equipping the PKE meter? Huh? There he is. I got you, buddy. I got you. Throwing out a trap. And now, I welcome you to your new home. How hard it is to actually drag him towards the trap. It's really hard because they struggle. Anyway, when do you have to head to work again? Well, I have to head to work, and you'll understand my local time at 10. Well, I start at 10, so I probably have to leave home from, I don't know, 9:30 latest. Right now it's 4:30, which means... Ooh! What's that? Way out? This is what it's like when you die. You see a door opens like this and it's bright light, and you're like, oh, I must head towards the white light. But before I head towards the white light, I'm gonna finish answering your question. Yeah, it's 4:30 right now, so I have to eat, nap/sleep. What defines a nap? What's the difference between a nap and a sleep? Anyway, I'm gonna have to finish this. I have to get out of this other world, and then I end the stream because I need to eat something and get some sleep. Run, buddy, run!
Okay, I've tried this one twice already, so it's gotta be another one.
This dimension is extremely volatile. It seems to be tearing itself apart.
We need to get out of here.
This is how the third movie originally was going to be, huh? New York City was going to be swallowed by the ghost drone.
Oh no.
Did you see something scary, Egon?
Stairs. Lots of stairs.
So awesome. Alright, so if Egon sees a lot of stairs, it means I need to see a lot of stairs so I can catch up with him. If I see a lot of stairs, it means I'm on the right way. Come on, buddy. There's no time to hunt these down.
The pattern is starting to make sense. I think I'm close to finding the exit.
Uh-oh. I've got bogeys. Heads up, boys, wherever you are. Huh! Totally inverted!
Okay, I'm through.
Send a signal we can track you with.
Ah, mission failed.
Work.
Crap.
The last portal I entered was
Now, as
at
a
the top
punishment, I have to listen to the song. Unpleasantness will happen. Unpleasantness will happen. Ah, man. You have no idea how I'm set up. My laptop is on my TV unit, my wall unit, and I'm sitting on the floor. I'm not even sitting on the couch. I don't know why. I just sit on the floor. It's a thing. You can't understand. Why do I equip the PPK? Okay, this way. I need to find a lot of stairs.
Made it out too! Hey, champ! We won't leave until you find us!
The stairs,
Look for the long staircase.
There they are.
The exit portal is at the very top.
They are scary. I found the stairs.
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here.
I have to listen to the song again. What the heck did I just do? What the what? No way. No way. I hope I continue from my checkpoint, because if I don't, I'm gonna quit. That's it. That would be it. Oh my goodness. Yeah. I have to be careful with the copyright music. I have to talk over it as much as I can. Blah 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 blah.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Oh, okay. It's not that bad. Okay. I was gonna rage quit.
Made it out too! Hey, champ! We won't leave until you find us!
I need to be careful of the books.
Look for the long
way they
staircase.
flow.
The exit portal is at the very top.
You see? Make sure they're done. And then run.
Keep moving, sport. We sure don't want to be trapped in here.
And go. No. Dang it. I need to do this before I leave. I don't care. I don't care what it takes. I'll try my best not to rage quit. I'll try my best.
Something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
Made it out too! Hey, champ! We won't leave until you find us!
Look for the long staircase. The exit portal is at the very top.
Let's go.
Keep moving, sport.
No, I don't.
Sure don't want to be trapped in here.
No. Why are you doing this? I'm not sure how I'm supposed to do this. I'll just make a run for it.
Recruit, I had some trouble getting to the portal. Use the slime tether to bring the portal to you.
Not easy. I don't even see the portal yet. Alright, slime tether again. Slime tether.
Did you hear that?
I wonder if that's the collector we're looking for.
Come to Papa.
I think he goes by Azetlor now.
Hey, Kenneth, are you okay? It sounds like it's getting closer.
Can you get to
I
that
see
portal
it.
at the top of the stairs?
Oh, come on. Now what? No, that one. Yeah, it will reach. Okay. Come here. I have to drag the portal towards me. No, 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 no! Don't go! You've made it this far?
I do like what they've done with the place here. But I hope that portal would have taken us back to the library.
Actually, we are back in the public library. The dimensional membrane must be extremely thin here.
Someone's holding us here. The collector.
Yes, Azetlor wants to add to his collection, and he's probably not too happy about us taking the Gozerian Codex with us.
Oh yeah? What can a twisted little bookworm do to scare us?
He murdered Eleanor Twitty for it when he was alive, and a dozen others just to cover it up.
Hey, collector! We're taking your book! What do you think about that? He's right behind me, isn't he?
Yes, I think you got his attention, Ray.
Oh boy.
Defeat Azetlor. How cool is the name, Azetlor.
Look, his face is protected by black slime.
By black slime, I have to slime him up first.
Hey, Junior, switch out the nozzle and close him down!
Because green neutralizes black.
Neutralize the black slime on his mask.
And then, if he's neutralized, I don't know how, switch to the proton stream and hit him with it. I'm not doing any damage actually, so I don't think I'm doing this right.
We need to clear the black slime off his mask.
Okay,
Use the slime blower kit.
Oh my goodness. Slow-mo fall. Turtle Raid! No way! No way! Turtle Raid! Are you kidding me? Seriously?
The shield is too strong.
You're gonna watch me fail now. So much pressure. Oh, thank you so much. Ah, man. Welcome, Raiders. Thank you so much. This is the first raid I ever experienced, by the way.
Need some help here!
So everyone, I'm playing some 2009 Ghostbusters. if I'm doing this right, to be honest with you.
Help! It's clear!
So turtle raid comes from Nepsi, is that right? What were you playing, buddy? I see that Nightbot is timing people out. I need to find out what's going on. Somebody fix my Nightbot! I know what's going on. I need to check that out. So sorry, guys. Oh my goodness, they need medic. Hang on. Look at that.
I'm down. Use the capture
Let's
stream.
use the capture stream to rip off his. Your mask is going off.
Help me wrangle this.
Yeah, that did it!
Oh no, I think we just exposed his angry side.
Flies in slow-mo when he.
Bring him down all the way. Concentrate on the eye if you can. He's got nothing that can resist the proton stream.
Hit him in the eye. We almost got him.
What if I shoot him with the stasis stream? Let's try. Let's try using the stasis stream. Maybe I can slow him down or something. I don't think he likes that. Ah, mission failed. What's going on in chat? I'm so busy looking. Hang on. I'm not deleting any comments, guys. I'm not deleting. No, my mods I'm not deleting. It's freaking Nightbot. I need to shut it off. Sorry about that. Nightbot. Sorry about that. Yeah. Emojis and sorry about that. Sorry. I need to check that out. I wish I could find a way why they got timed out. How do I do that? I'm still a noob. I'm still a noob, guys. I'm sorry. Thank you so much for everyone that showed up. Thank you so much.
There's something strange in your neighborhood. Who you gonna call?
I do like what they've done with the place here. But I hope that portal would have taken us back to the library.
Actually, we are back in the public library. The dimensional membrane must be extremely thin here.
Someone's holding us here. The Collector.
Yes, Azetlor wants to add to his collection, and he's probably not too happy about us taking the Gozerian Codex with us.
Oh yeah? What can a twisted little bookworm do to scare us?
He murdered Eleanor Twitty for it when he was alive.
Okay, RZ. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Hey,
and
Collector!
Robert, so many people
taking
here.
your book.
I'm missing
What do you think
Awesome
about
Spice.
that?
Did I say hello to you? I'm sorry,
right
I keep
behind
missing
you.
so many people.
Yes, I think you got his attention, Ray.
Oh boy.
And Luke. Did I say hi to Luke? I'm sorry. Alright, let's switch over to slime. And let's slime off.
He's resisting my proton stream!
Look, space is protected by black slime.
That must be the key! Hey, Junior, switch out your nozzle and hold him down!
Neutronize the black slime on his mask.
If this is your first time here, my name is VloggyBuddy, and I stream whenever I get a chance. And I try my best to stream games that...
Use the slime
I try to stream games that people... that makes sense. I'm not gonna say obscure titles, but...
His shield is
Feel
too
free to
strong. Go
subscribe
for the
if you're
mask.
enjoying the
Clear the
content.
slime off his
And
mask.
I'll try my best not to disappoint.
It's clear!
Rip his mask off. It looks
Okay, let's rip his
vulnerable.
mask off. Take it off!
Egon, help me! Yeah, that did it!
Oh no, I think we just exposed his angry side.
Bring him down all the way. Concentrate on the eye if you can. He's got nothing that can resist the proton stream.
Not me. Aw. There's like 3 Ghostbusters here, and he's going after me. All of them need medic. Oh, no.
Need some help here.
If I don't help them up, then nobody will help me up, and the mission fails. So.
Turn around.
That's trouble. Don't question it. What's
I think my mission is to actually start reviving my friends. Oh my goodness, come on. Come on, help me up so I can help you guys up. Oh my goodness. Such a mess.
Hit the eye with everything you've got, now!
Oh my goodness. This game came out in 2009. It's on the PS3. Thank you so much for coming by. Thank you so much. You go to the gym. Raise some weights. Lift some weights. You see, my English. I'm gonna skip the cutscene now because it's pointless.
Who you gonna call?
He's resisting my proton stream.
Look, his face is protected by black slime.
That must be the key. Hey, Junior, switch out your nozzle and hose him down.
Neutralize the black slime on his mask.
We need to clear the black slime off his mask. Use the slime blower,
That's
kid.
what I'm doing. I'm trying to stay back. I can avoid the frickin' attacks. I still get the attacks.
His shield is too strong. Go for the mask. Clear the slime off his mask.
Oh my goodness, don't let me get medic. Oh, come on.
Oh man. Hang on.
It's clear.
So far so good.
Take his mask off. It looks vulnerable. Use the capture stream to
That's
rip
what I'm
off
trying
his
to do.
mask.
Egon, help me hold it open. Yeah, that did it.
Oh no, I think we just exposed his angry side.
Bring him down all the way. Concentrate on the eye if you can. He's got nothing that can resist the proton stream.
Hit him in the eye. We've almost got him.
Maybe I can use the portals to my advantage. I think. Oh my goodness, they're both down. So after me.
Don't question it. Whoop, just blast
Yeah,
the
it's
glowy
easier
part.
said than done. Come on.
some of this, jerk.
He's gonna help me out.
Hit the eye with everything you've got, now! Aim high! Hit the eye with
My
everything
best
you've got!
be gone.
Hit him in the eye, we've almost got him! To the right!
Ah, he got me!
How did he get me
Look
from over
behind you.
there? It's so strange.
Don't question it, Rook, just blast the glowy part!
Yeah, sorry about that,
Collect some of
Nebsy.
this,
Thank you
jerk.
so much. Thank you so much for the raid. You are the first one to officially raid me. No, officially, just raid me. So something is officially not official. You raided me the first one to ever raid me in my life.
Hit the eye with everything
So
you've
thank you
got,
so much.
now!
You are first. What were you playing? I'm not already on someone. I'm looking at chat, sorry.
Aim high!
Run, buddy, run! I want to take this guy down and then... Okay.
Hit the eye with everything you've got!
I love how they fly in slow-mo.
Hit him in the eye, we've almost got him!
Oh, come on, come on!
He's out of control! Blast him in the eye! Look, I think it's working! There it goes! Eye on the floor!
We need to get out of here.
There's a new portal back here. Come on,
Let's
Rook,
go.
that's gotta be the way out!
Guys! Where are you guys?
Oh, that was such a chore.
Where the hell were you guys? I've been running all over this library, calling you, looking for you, nothing.
Yeah,
Passed the request on the
I'll check that out,
portal
Nebsy. Thank you
alternate
so much.
version of the New
I'll
York
check
Public
out Nightboss. I'll
Library
give him a
and fought
spanking
40-foot
or
monster
something.
made out of priceless antiques to
I'll fix
steal
that.
ancient
Thank you so
valuable
much.
books.
I'm a weird YouTuber!
Oh, well, that would explain it.
Or is it you?
Next time, leave a note.
Counter-Strike. It's not my kind of game, but... That one weird... Ah, the weird YouTuber! I just noticed there's a username that says YouTuber.
I hope it wasn't
I'm a
here the
fool.
first time we came through.
I just want to be casually here and hang out in the
Not
chat.
entirely
Okay, hang out
sure,
in the chat.
whatever it is.
We're leaving. Bye.
Just
I'm
turn
kidding.
it off.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Thin crust New York style with no visible anchovy.
Maybe later. Right now I need to go back to the lab and take a look at this codex.
And analyze the data we've collected. It could help us when we go to the museum.
Slice to go on the way? Rookie's treat?
And we need to know what this is.
I'll call for delivery. Again.
Now what's going on?
Well, it's a great read, but nothing about that.
I know that symbol.
How?
It shows
the
up
Ghostbusters
sometimes in
coffee mug.
Sumerian ritual magic. There's a statue on loan at the museum that features it.
What does it represent?
Just a symbol. Signifies a path to obtain great power. Most of my colleagues assume it's an old constellation.
No constellation I ever saw. And I used to tell fortunes on Coney Island.
Is that right? Did you wear a turban?
No, man. A red velvet cape with moons. It was plush.
Get this. The Codex does indicate there is some kind of feeder system required to channel energy to a destructor form.
A destructor form? Like Stay Puft?
It's entirely possible that system and this pattern are connected.
It's possible.
Wait, you said the Gozerian statuary at the museum is on loan. From whom?
Ivo Shandor, the architect. Well, the Shandor Foundation. They control Shandor's remaining estate and holdings. Ivo is a big collector of Gozerian artifacts.
By Ivo Shandor the architect, you mean Ivo Shandor the genocidal maniac, right?
That's what I was researching when Gozer attacked me. Shandor's architecture firm was involved in a number of projects around town in the late early 1900s.
Including Dana Barrett's old building on Central Park West.
You mean the one with the extra-dimensional antenna that drew Gozer to our world so he could attempt to destroy it? Had a nice view of the park, though.
Yes, but he also did some renovations on existing buildings and a number of public works. There was controversy, because a lot of people thought the work was unnecessary.
Let me guess. He did some renovations on the public library building on Fifth.
Right, and the Museum of Natural History.
Okay,
Recent
Nebsy, thank you so
visitations,
much for hanging
specific
out.
localized
Thank you so much for the
paranormal
raid.
activity,
Thank you for
singing
everything.
Vikings.
They're all connected to Shandor.
See ya, buddy.
and this-
Yes, and you are right. You did see an arcade game. Let's check it out. I want to play it just for you, buddy, because it's time for me to go, so... There's the arcade game. I think this one's Galaga. And this one is Qbert. You can play it. Just like that, however. That's as far as it gets. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to call it quits. I'm gonna have to stop because I'm tired. I need to eat and I need to sleep. Because I have to...
Egon, our new boss,
And-
called again.
I'll continue this
Please don't call
some
him
other
that.
time. I got
Just
a very busy weekend ahead, so I
that's
won't be
bad
playing
enough.
this weekend for sure.
Peck
Thank you so
called
much.
Again. He's
Been
not
very-
happy.
Yeah, he does look
He
uncanny,
says
yes.
that if you guys fire
But
just
his
one more
performance here is lacking,
unauthorized
huh?
proton stream,
Personally,
he'll
it
shut
feels
us
like
down
Bill
for
Murray
good.
is trying to do Bill Murray, if you know what I mean. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna have to stop. Thank you for everyone. Thank you to everyone that hung out with me today. If you enjoyed the content, please feel free to subscribe. I'll try my best to keep you entertained. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!